Hi everyone, today I will show you how we can convert Word document to PDF document. Here, how we convert Word document to PDF using three methods. First, we can save it. Second, we can export it. Or third, we can do it online by using office.com. Let's now we go to technique 1, save as. Example, this is the Word document that we want to convert to PDF document. Simply go to File, Save As, choose the location. We can use desktop. Type the file name. Save as PDF and then save. It will open automatically and you can see it was exactly same as Word document. Okay, we close it. Now we do a second technique by export the document. Same, we go to File, Export, and then create the PDF or XPS, and then we go to the location we want to save, change the name, and same use as PDF. Tick the open file after publishing, so it will automatically open after we publish. Click publish and then it will automatically open the file. See, it was exactly the same as a Word document. Okay, we close it. And the last method is using online. First, we open browser, we click office.com. If you don't have office.com account, you can sign up and then log in the file. Then you can use all the Windows Microsoft services like here. Okay, then we create the document file, example here, but I already open it here. Then we can simply file, save as. You can download as PDF or you can save as online. Then you can share it to any way you want. Okay, that's it today. Thank you.